Greetings for the day to one and all. This is Samiksha Sharma from Examination Department, here to highlight the examination pattern for all of you and to make it clear the type of questions that you will be dealing with while sorting the question paper. So let's begin. Suppose this is my WhatsApp group. According to the instructions already delivered to you, it has been made clear that each class will have a personal WhatsApp group which will be under the control of the teacher, and at the particular scheduled time the link for the question paper will be dropped by the teacher concerned, like the way it has been dropped in this group. So I'm opening the link by tapping on it. As soon as I open the link, the question paper appears on the screen where I'll be mentioning my name, roll number and admission number and class, and then I'll be starting with my question paper. So the first type of question that I'll be dealing with is a MCQ type question. In this, we'll have 3 sections all in all. First section will consist of 30 MCQs as the pattern has been uploaded on the ERP. Second section will consist of 12 marks, and this third section will consist of 8 marks. Section A will be objective type, section B and section C will be short type and long time questions. So here we start. This is section A and we are dealing with MCQ type question. MCQ type question means multiple choice where you will be marking only one answer for the question given. So this is the question like source of vitamin A, so I am marking the answer, it's apple. Then I have another type of question, that is one word type question, for which I have an answer option where I can type my answer like photosynthesis. The third type of question variety that I'll be dealing with is a checkbox type where I can mark more than one answer. Now make it sure that while a checkbox box option appears on the screen, it has a squared icon, while the MCQ type where you can mark only one answer, it will have a round shape. So for a squared question, you can tap on 1+ options as the question deals with. Further, we have match the following, where you can simply match the answer. This is your row and this is your column. So the first row says vitamin A. I can select my answer like berry. Vitamin B is berry. Vitamin A is night blindness. C is scurvy. So I've saved my match the following questions, but make sure that it's a round circle. That means out of the following 3, you can mark only one. If you'll try to do the other option, it won't happen. So this is a match the following question. Then we have a short paragraph type option where you can write your paragraph depending on the subject that you are dealing with. This paragraph option has no limit, so you can proceed with any type of word. Further, last we have an upload file option, which is basically for higher classes from 9th to 12th. This is not for the small classes. So here we'll click on add file. After clicking on add file, we'll go to select file option. Here we go to capture image, then camera, and like this is my answer sheet. I've clicked the photo of my answer sheet. After clicking the photo of my answer sheet, I am tapping on the tick mark so as to attach the file. I can see the image now has been attached here. This image has been uploaded, and then I'll tap on upload option and then submit option, and my answer response sheet gets submitted. So this is the demo for how you'll proceed with your papers. I hope it has worked for you. So in this way, you will upload your file. You will be attempting your match the following questions. You will be attempting your short answer types, one word types, and MCQs and checkboxes. That's all. Thank you.